wala na yung salitang ako, wala na yung salitang iyo, no? What she was telling was that there was no place for the word I and you, or I and me, no? If you feel that you are separate from me, and then go away. And the road of love always leads to life.
It's always been you, my love. I'll be yours until the sun dies, till the stars fall from the blue sky. All my days, love for a lifetime. You'll be the tide, I'll be the sea. The rise or fall brings you home to me. Brings you home to me. Oh, it's always been you.
Sige ma'am, taas niyo po hanggang abang bago para mahirapan.
Yan, para makikita yung...
Para malalim ang paso. Elevator niyo yung mouth na eh.
Always been you, my love. It's always been you, love.
Tinatanggap kita bilang asawa. Tulad ng paniniwala mo, naparito ako ng kusang loob.
At inihahandog ko ng buong puso ang aking sarili sa iyo, Mariette, upang maging tunay mong asawa.
At inihahandog ko ng buong puso ang aking sarili sa iyo, Joe Bryan, upang maging tunay mong asawa, alinsunod sa pinag-uutos ng Santa Iglesiang Ina.
We opened the sky, pulled down the moon, we saw through the dark, and we found the truth. I found you. It's always been you, love. It's always